Many water utilities are leveraging this data in order to monitor their equipment and ensure that aging infrastructure is mitigated as much as possible. So one water utility has leveraged electrical signature analysis to monitor their older pumps, so aging pumps, which frequently failed or where they already suspected poor pump health. By detecting these early stage mechanical failures, such as bearing wear or electrical failures, such as electrical imbalances, the utility was able to schedule targeted maintenance or convenient maintenance inspections or repairs really before major breakdowns occurred, and as such prevented that catastrophic failure. This enabled them to reduce emergency repair costs by 30%, which is quite significant. Of course, as well as extending the equipment's lifespan by several years. This allowed them to save both time, money, and in parallel ensured that they were still delivering an uninterrupted service to their customers.